Turn the bike upside down to expose the bottom of the frame. Then remove the battery. Loosen the 3 screws and remove the battery base. Cut the cable ties securing the wires and loosen the motor cable. Disconnect the yellow connector. Disconnect all the wires on the other end of the controller, then remove the controller. Follow the same steps to install the new controller. Route the motor cable out from inside the frame and connect it. Then connect the remaining wires one by one and connect the yellow connector last. Use waterproof tape to secure the yellow connector to prevent it from loosening due to vibration while riding. Place the controller back into position, organize the wiring, and tighten the 3 screws. Reconnect the motor wiring. Secure the cables with cable ties. Install the battery. The controller replacement is now complete.